Hey guys, John from S&S Cycle here. In today's video, we're going to give you a brief overview of our slip-on muffler for the Pan America 2021 to 2024 models. Let's talk about our muffler for the Pan America. We have two different offerings. We have an EC compliant, that's Euro compliant, and we have a 50-state US compliant. Both of them are stainless construction. They both feature a carbon fiber end cap, and they have a replaceable dB reducer. Keynote, the US version is 19% lighter than stock. That's a gain right off the bat. Also included in the kit is a new carbon fiber heat shield. One thing to note for UCVO guys, this muffler does fit. All you have to do is remove your muffler guard. Super easy to install, just follow the instructions. For more information about this product, check out sscycle.com and make sure to always follow us on our social media channels.